Welcome to Echoo's weekly market pulse, your go-to series for the hottest IPO action and equity market moves delivered every week. Right now, the IPO market is exploding with billion-dollar deals across every sector imaginable. From fintech giants to the creators of viral hits like Baby Shark, here's your complete guide to what's happening in the public markets. First up, Chime, the no-fee banking app you might already use, is planning to go public with an $832 million raise at an $11.2 billion valuation. That's a huge milestone for a company that started as a simple alternative to traditional banks. Next, Circle, the company behind the USDC stablecoin, saw its shares surge by over 200% following its IPO. BlackRock acted as an anchor investor, which means they agreed to buy a big chunk of shares. When a big name like BlackRock backs a deal, it gives other investors confidence. This explosive debut shows just how hot crypto and stablecoin companies are right now. Speaking of crypto, Gemini, the exchange co-founded by the Winklevoss twins, has confidentially filed for a US IPO. This follows Circle's successful debut and signals a new wave of crypto companies going public as investor enthusiasm returns. Trump Media recently raised $2.4 billion by selling new shares and convertible notes to institutional investors. This isn't an IPO, the company is already public. Convertible notes are special loans that can later be converted into company shares, giving investors flexibility and the company a way to raise money without immediately increasing its share count. Most of the funds raised will be used to build a massive Bitcoin treasury, making Trump Media one of the largest public company holders of Bitcoin in the US. When a company sells new shares, it creates more ownership stakes in the business. This means existing shareholders own a smaller percentage. This is called dilution. The upside is that the company gets fresh funding to invest and grow. In this case, it's mainly to buy more Bitcoin. In other news, MicroStrategy is raising $250 million through something called perpetual preferred stock. Think of this as a mix between regular stock and a bond. People who own these preferred shares get paid dividends before regular shareholders, and if the company ever runs into trouble, they get paid back first. The perpetual part means these shares don't have an end date, they can last forever. This is a smart way for MicroStrategy to raise money for Bitcoin purchases without reducing the ownership of regular shareholders as much as a regular share sale would. In the UK, the government just fully exited its stake in NatWest Bank after 17 years. This is significant because the government once owned 84% of the bank after bailing it out during the 2008 financial crisis. NatWest shares have surged 85% in 2024, showing how patient, long-term investing can pay off. Moving to healthcare, Omada Health, a virtual chronic care provider backed by venture capital firm A16Z, formerly Andreessen Horowitz, plans to raise around $150 million at a $1.1 billion valuation.